Sun, 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 my love. Show me the lights, those dim bright lights, the sun, my love. Show me, show me, show me, sun, my love. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me to sign my love. From the inner harbor to the outer bay, the arcades, the city lights, so, so bright. Show me, show me, show me, sign my love. Sign my love, sign my love. Oh.
We're actually doing Virtudes. This is we kind of had something interesting happen. I was gonna do this other one, but then I saw a nice little shop owner, so we're gonna kind of capture all of that and give you an idea. So this is after a Category 10 typhoon, and all of this was submerged with water all along here, and it went into it, so we're gonna see how far it was, and so stay tuned for that. Virtudes Street, Travessa, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So this is some of the water that was here. Oh, that's crazy.
Wow.
It's amazing. So that was all this whole street right in here. And here it was like you said, it was like there. Wow. That's crazy. And all the way up too. Wow. And they even had the storm, so it came up over that. It went over it as well. Like, wow. That's crazy. So all of that was underwater. So it just kind of. So I think what we're gonna do is kind of come all the way down and take a look. I'm going to turn around in a second, but it looks like they're kind of taking everything out after the storm. This is Virtudes. Probably should just film this whole street. So I think I'm going to come back. I just pause it. We're going to go all the way back down, but we're going to go up a little bit first, up to where the origin is at of this particular street, because it's kind of interesting. But yeah, you can see where all the water was at in this area. This is called Virtudes. Wow. Still raining. I think Virtudes continues up a little. Oh, actually we just changed into Gamboa. So this actually turns into a different street, which is pretty interesting. But we're gonna try to stay focused on this particular one. So we'll walk back down to the waterfront, and then we can see. So basically all of these shops, he was saying that they were kind of over. Well, you saw exactly where it was. So this would have all been submerged in the water. So probably a lot of the stuff was floating. Wow. So they're kind of bringing everything out just to kind of clean up a little bit. Hello. Hello, how are you? The water was here. Wow.
Good luck.
Yeah. So we're kind of going up a little bit. So that one was up to his chest. And then this one was the other Virtudes one. Yeah, they're kind of moving everything out and they'll sweep everything out. It's basically what they're doing. Like that one, so so that's all part of Virtudes. So Virtudes is this particular street that we're on. There's some nice artwork down in here. So so originally I was going to do Bocage, but Virtudes ended up being our focus instead. And so yeah, he was actually saying that that water would have been all the way up to where he was at, like above that sign. So and that was a street that we didn't quite do, but thought about it. Another slice. The water would have came up that way right over there. So maybe I'll just walk down that real quick. And yeah. Okay, I'll wait here. Okay. So this is part of Virtudes as well, and we'll just show you where exactly it came, where all the water came up at. So the water front would have been straight ahead. Some hotels here as well. I think that's so yeah, you can see, so all this stuff would have been floating. They piled it up here, including the table, stuff like that. So the water would have all came up. It would have came up all the way across from that water over there. So anyways, that's Virtudes. So we ended up filming Virtudes.